Imagine this. You're typing something into Google. You hit enter and boom, a million results pop up. But what if I told you you're only seeing the surface of what Google can actually do? There are hidden hacks, secret filters, even spy-level search commands that no one ever taught you. And today, you're going to learn all of them. By the end of this video, you'll be able to search smarter, faster, and even save money. This is not just a tutorial, it's a power upgrade. Ready? Let's go. Chapter 1, the invisible Google. Most people use Google wrong. They type a question and pray for the best. But there's a smarter way. Use InTitle to find exact titles. Use InURL to search pages with keywords in their web address. Want only PDF files? Use file type PDF. Example, search cite.harvard.edu file type PDF neuroscience. Boom, free Harvard research. No login, no ads. Chapter 2, search like a spy. Google can help you find anything if you know how. Want hidden data? Use EXT-CSV or file type XLS to find spreadsheets. Looking for someone's profile? Try cite.linkedin.com/in Los Angeles founder. You're now a digital detective. Use Around X to connect keywords that appear close together, like AI Around 3 business, and find deep, relevant content. Chapter 3, Free Learning University. You don't need to pay for knowledge anymore. Google is your free college if you search smart. Try Python tutorial Philotype PPT for real university slides. Machine learning cheat sheet file type PDF, instant learning. Want real research? Search citeresearchgate.net deep learning PDF. You'll find scientific papers no one talks about. Chapter 4, travel deals and discounts. Want cheap flights? Use Google Flights with flexible dates. Need honest reviews? Try sitereddit.com Airbnb Bali. Looking for deals? Type InTitle coupon code Nike. You'll find promo codes most people never see. Add before 2023-1231 to catch old clearance prices, like hacking the system with just a keyboard. Chapter 5, build a business with Google. Google is not just for searching, it's a business weapon. Want to find what people complain about? Use cite.quora.com bad experience plus your topic. Research your competition. Cite youtube.com InTitle review wireless earbuds. Use Google Trends to find what's hot and what's not. Chapter 6, privacy hacks. Every search you make is tracked. Want to search privately? Use Start Page. It gives Google results without tracking you. Go to Google My Activity and delete your search history. Turn off ad personalization and stop being a product. Chapter 7, tools for creators. Creators, listen up. Use Google Fonts for custom branding. Use Google's color picker for exact matches. Want to know if an image is original? Right-click and use Google Reverse Image Search. Designers can use Google Arts and Culture, access thousands of historical art pieces for free. Chapter 8, master-level combos. Time to go full ninja. Combine hacks like this. Cite nytimes.com, InTitle Climate Philotype PDF, InText 2023. That's hyper-specific and ultra-powerful. Or use relatedyoutube.com to find similar video sites. Cite reddit.com to get real people's opinions. These combos are like cheat codes for the internet. You now hold the keys to the real internet. While others are typing how to get rich, you're finding investor reports, government stats, and insider deals. This is the power of knowing how to Google, like a genius. Final question to viewers. What's one Google hack you use that no one else knows about? Drop it in the comments and let's build the smartest search army online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your smartest friend. Ready for next?